next one, expanding bracket. Okay, so distributive property. Distributive property, we have two cases, over addition and over subtraction. First, let us see what is distributive property over addition. Okay, so A into B plus C will be equal to, first this A we have to multiply with this B and plus A into C. Clear? So A into B in one bracket plus A into C. Okay. Now next case is over subtraction. So it is A into B minus C. Only changes the sign. Here positive and here negative. That's all. Okay. So it is again A into B minus A into C. So it is A into B minus A into C. Okay. Now at present for a chapter 1, you need to know what is distributive property. Okay. We are using only over addition. Only some example problems are there. In those examples, we are using distributive property over addition only. Subtraction sums are not given. Okay. So you just know what is distributive property. Okay. All other properties, we have many properties. All those properties we will learn in our chapter 2. Okay. At present for our chapter 1, you have to know what is distributive property over addition. Okay, so it is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, based on this, we will do 2 or 3 problems, example problems. Clear, children? Now, look at this sum. 7 into 109. Okay, here we are using our distributive property over addition. Okay, so A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That is our distributive property. Now, this question we have to write it in the form of A into B plus C. Okay, for that what I am doing, A is this 7. Okay, this 109 I am writing it in the form of B plus C. So how can we write? I am writing it as 7 into 100. Can I write it as 100 plus 9? Yes, so 100 is B and C will be 9. Okay, now I have made the question into distributive form. Okay, what is this equal to? A into B plus A into C. Now this one I have to expand it this way. Clear, children? So it is A is 7 here. 7 into, what is B? 100. So 7 into 100 plus, okay, A into C. So again A is 7 into, what is C? 9. So it is 9. Clear? Now, I told you board mass, no? First we have to do multiplication, then only comes addition. Okay, so 7 into 100 will be 700 plus 7 nines are 63. Okay, so 700 plus 63 is 763. B sum, 102 into 103. Okay, here also we have to make it in the form of distributive property. So what is our distributive property? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Yes or no? Okay. Now this 102 into 103, we have to make it in this form. Okay. For that 100 I am writing it as 100 plus 2. Okay. Into 103 I am writing it as 100 plus 3. Clear, children? Now is it of the form A into B plus C? Yes. So our A is 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 is taken as A. Okay. B is 100 and C is 3. Clear? Now I have to expand it this way. A into B plus A into C. So I told you this 100 plus 2 is our A and this is our B and this is our C. Okay. So A into B. So can I write it as 100 plus 2 into B is 100. Okay. Plus again A into C. So A is 100 plus 2 into C is 3. So into 3. Okay. It is clear for everyone. Now again, if you notice, it is of that A into B plus C form. A is 100 here, okay, B is also 100 and C is 2. So again we have to expand it like A into B plus A into C. Again, can we write it like that? Okay, so here this 100 will be our B, okay, this 2 will be our C and this 100 will be our A. Same way here, this 100 will be our B, this 2 will be our C and this will be our A. So it is A into B plus C. So what it is? A into B. So A is 100. 100 into B. B is also 100. Okay. Plus A into C. So A is 100 again here. Okay. Into what is C? 2. Clear? Plus this plus sign. Okay. This plus here. Again this term is of the form A into B plus C. So it is A into B. So what is our A? 3. So it is 3 into B is 100 plus, okay, A into C. So A is 3. 3 into 2. Okay, is this step clear for everyone? Okay, now what we have to do? Keep BODMAS in mind. Okay, first we have to perform multiplication. Then only we have to perform addition. So 100 into 100. So 1 into 1 will be 1. Count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 zeros you have to add. Plus. Okay. 100 into 2 is 200. Again plus. 3 into 100, 300. Plus 3 2s are 6. Clear. Now 10,000 plus 200 plus 300, 500 plus 6, 506. So 506. So our answer is 10,506. Clear, children? 19 into 109. So here also we are applying distributive property. Okay, so we have to make it of which form? A into B plus C form. Okay, for that I am expanding. Okay, 17, can I write it as 10 plus 7? Yes, into 109, can we write it as 100 plus 9? Okay, now A, so our A is 10 plus 7 into B is 100, C is 9. Now we have to expand this way, A into B plus A into C. So as I told you, 10 plus 7 is our A, this B and this is C. So A into B. So 10 plus 7 A into what is B? 100. Okay. Plus again A is 10 plus 7 into what is C? 9. Clear, children? Now again it is of the form A into B plus C. Okay. So A is 100, B is 10 and C is 7. Here also 9 is A, 10 is B and 7 is C. Okay, so it is A into B. So 100 into 10 plus 100 into 7. Okay, plus again same way here. A into B plus A into C. So A is 9 into B is 10 plus A into C. So 9 into 7. Clear? Now BODMAS, we have to do multiplication first, then comes addition. So 1 into 1 is 1. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So I am adding 3 zeros plus 100 into 7, 700 plus 9 into 10 is 90 plus 63. Clear? Now 1000 plus 700 plus 90, 790 plus 63. So 3, 15, 853. So 853. So 1000 plus 853 is 1853. Clear?